home carer, you may be employed by a domiciliary care agency run by an organisation such as a local authority, private business, voluntary organisation or a charity. Whatever the type of organisation, an important part of your role is to support and deliver the aims and values of the organisation. It is only through doing this that the combined efforts of you, your colleagues and the organisation will be able to fully meet the needs of the people you support by delivering person-centred care. Your manager or supervisor is there to help you to understand the organisation you work in, for example, relevant policies and procedures, and what your job role and responsibilities are. Rachel is new to social care work and has just started a job with a domiciliary care agency.
Thank you.
Welcome aboard, it's really nice to see you. What we're going to do today is take you through your induction.
Okay, great.
This video features carers who are involved in providing domiciliary care, but is useful for a wide range of care staff in community-based settings. It is important to realise that as a home carer, you might be expected to provide a service to a wide range of individuals and not just older people. You may find yourself working with younger or older adults with physical disabilities, sensory impairments such as sight loss, learning disabilities, mental health problems. You may also be involved with children and their families for all sorts of different reasons. For example, a child may have a disability or be on the Child Protection Register, or a parent may have a medical problem and require help with caring for the children, like Kate, who is a single mother with 2 children. 2 years ago, she was diagnosed as having multiple sclerosis. There are times when her health deteriorates and she needs help with the children. Domiciliary care is provided to people in their own homes. The people you support might live in their own flats or houses, but some of them might be in larger complexes, for example, sheltered accommodation. As a home carer, you will spend a lot of time out in the community. However, there will be times when you will need to go into the office, maybe to talk to the home care manager about a problem, to have supervision, or to attend a staff meeting. As a home carer, your primary focus is to meet the individual's needs, wishes and preferences and provide active support that enables each of them to use their existing strengths and potential. This is at the heart of person-centred care practice.
How are you feeling today, Jed? Is there something the matter?
I feel useless in this thing. I keep dropping things when I try to cook in the kitchen.
I know the occupational therapist has been working with you. Do you want to show me what you've been doing with her?
Some individuals will need supervision whilst doing tasks for themselves.
Careful, don't want to fill it up too much. It might start overflowing when we cook.
Other individuals might need prompting that certain things need to be done.
I could do some washing. Might be an idea to get you a change of clothes.
Oh, Kate, did you fill in that form for the kids to go on the school trip?
Your role requires you to use certain values, the principles of person-centred care and skills. You will also need to have an understanding of relevant legislation, organisational policy and procedures, and social care theory and practice, including promoting person-centred approaches. The care plan will outline the care to be provided to each individual. You will find a copy in the home of the person you support and a copy in the office. There are a wide range of activities that you will perform in your role as a home carer. Reading through the care plan will tell you what activities you should do with each person you visit. You may need to support individuals' personal care routines as they wash, bathe or use the toilet, helping to maintain their dignity and personal hygiene. Dress or undress, assisting them to maximise their independence, make choices and maintain their privacy. Maintain or manage continence. This may range from encouraging individuals to communicate about their continence needs through to supporting individuals to use equipment to manage continence, such as pads and catheters.